Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix the WhatsApp voice message ear speaker issue. It's a very common problem with a quick and easy fix, so please follow along. First, open the Play Store on your device and search for WhatsApp. Tap on the app to check if an update is available. If there's no update button, that means you're already using the latest version. Keeping your apps updated is always a good first step to avoid bugs and glitches. Now let's move to your device's settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management, depending on your device. From there, find WhatsApp in the list of installed apps and tap on it. Once you're in, you'll see an option called Clear Data. Go ahead and clear the cache. This can often resolve minor issues with the app. Next, check the app permissions. Tap on App Permissions and make sure WhatsApp has access to your microphone. Without this, voice messages won't work properly. If that's already enabled, you're good to go. Finally, restart your device. Hold down the power button and select Restart or Reboot. This simple step can often fix lingering issues by refreshing your system. And that's how you fix the WhatsApp voice message ear speaker issue.